Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my new video. So in this video we are gonna show our potential that we can speak in English very well while telling you recipe and while cooking. So yeah, we are to cook in this video. So sir, our sir, that is our honorable sir, Mr. Osbert sir, he has given us a very important task that is very vital for us. We are to cook something by our own hands. We are not to take anyone's help. So today, at the first I was thinking that what should I make. So then i remember then I remember that it is my last day of 50 days challenge. So today I am going to complete my 50 days challenge that was also given by Osbert sir. So I just thought of making a like baking a cake. So at first I was thinking that, but now I have determined that now I will make cake. So let's see which ingredients we need to bake a cake. Let's get started.
So guys, these are the ingredients that we
I
need
have
to bake
taken
a cake.
5
So these
Oreo
are the
biscuits. So I am
biscuits,
making the cake of
like
Oreo,
5 biscuits. So
and
we
I
are
have
making
taken
Oreo
Oreo
cake.
biscuit.
This is the
This is
Eno to
Eno,
make
so
our
that
bread
it can
fluffy
become
and
fluffy.
consistent. And
The
these
base
are
that I
the
am making
things
the
by
bread
which we can
can make
garnish our.
like
We
it
are
can
going to
be
garnish our
fluffy,
chocolate
and these are
cake.
the things
Let's.
by
So I
which
have
we are
taken
gonna
dairy milk
garnish
and Kit
our
Kat
cake.
and
So
some
let's see. I
gems.
have taken
So I
4 dairy
have taken
milks,
4 dairy
2 Kit
milks,
Kat,
2 Kit
and
Kat,
2
and
gems
2 packet of
packet.
gems.
So let's see how it's gonna become, how it is gonna be. So let now I will just separate all the Oreo biscuit from their creams, and I will separate those what we call creams in this bowl, and after that I will grind all the biscuits in the grinder. So I am let's separate them. So now guys, we are going to separate all the creams from these biscuits. So let's separate. Let me show you how it is like this. So for keeping biscuits, I have taken another bowl. So we will keep the biscuits here and split between here. So let's do it faster as we can, as we just can. I love this cream. I used to eat it. Like, but I used to do it in my like. I still remember that I used to do these kind of things a lot, like eating biscuit with water. Because like, I'm not a child lover, but when I have biscuits, so I can eat anything. I want something to eat, so I just want tea with it. I therefore eat to it.
So guys, we have separated all the creams out of this biscuit. So it is these are the biscuits, and it is the cream. Yeah, cream is in less amount. I'm very sorry for it, but what can we do? So let's grind the biscuits into the grinder. Let's go.
So guys, we are just running on the gas here, and we are just keeping this pan to just get preheated with adding this salt. So when I made another cake there, that time I used this salt. We are using this as a base,
That
so that
our stand
our
can
stand
stand
get
here
base,
very
so that it
quite
can stand
properly.
very well.
So now I have made it equal. So let me show you how it gonna look. So let's have a look on it. So it will look like this, similar to this a bit. Just make it equal for your stand,
Properly.
and now we
So
will keep
let's
it
get it
heated
with
on low
preheated.
flame.
And
Until
then
then,
I'm
let's
going to
grind
grind
our
it.
biscuits.
Let's grind. So guys, I have grinded it very well. This is the powder, and I have added 2 spoons of sugar so that it can it can be a little sugary, like it can get the sweetness. So let's pour it down into another bowl, in which we are gonna make the batter of the cake. Mhm. Mhm. So now I have removed them. Now I will just brush these limbs that I have in the batter, so that it cannot be like it cannot make something that is unnecessary. Somewhere or the other, it is very easy task to make a cake. So guys, now I am having a mug of milk, so that you can take as much as milk that you want according to the consistency, that how much consistent you want your batter to be. So just add a little milk, then just mix it well. Keep mixing it. Now we have done with the batter. That I have also mixed in packet of into it, and after mixing I have mixed it well. So now we'll place it to the bowl in which we are gonna make this a bread. So let's pour it into that. Guys, I am using this bowl for making cake, and for the base we need a butter paper, so that the cake does not stick on the base, on the surface of the bowl. So I did not have the butter paper, so I made it at home by you applying ghee on the normal white paper. So like this you can make your own butter paper at your home when you are going to make cake. So guys, I have cut down the butter paper into the shape of this bowl. Now we will mix this batter one more time, and after that we are to mix it very well, so that there would not be any kind of lump. Otherwise in the cake there would be some lumps, so that it cannot be a good, it can't be a good thing. So just mix it well. So now I have mixed the batter very properly. Now it has become quite well. It has the best consistency according to me. So now we will pour it down into this. You can take any of the shapes, you can take any bowl in which, or you can take any of the shape in which you want to make the cake. So guys, I have poured all the batter into this bowl. Now, like I have the stand, but it is way more complex to put it down, because it is having a stick with it. That's why I have put a plate on for the surface. The salt is under the plate. Now we will keep this bowl here. So we have put it down here. Now let me get it. Now just keep it, we have to just keep it safe. Then just put a plate here, and it should be heated till for 40 minutes, so that it could get a very consistent bouncy bread. And let's see after 40 minutes. It's the break for 40 minutes. Let's meet after 40 minutes. So guys, 40 minutes has completed. Let's on it. So yeah, it has baked. Let's check has it baked or not. We need a knife to check it. Just keep it there and try to cut. Look, it is clean. There's nothing, so it means it has baked. Now we can remove it from here. And the salt, now you will be thinking that what we are to do with the salt. So what you need to do, just remove that salt from just put that salt into another container and keep it aside. If you need anything like this, like somewhere or the other, or someday or the other, you will be making a cake, you will found yourself making a cake, so you can use that salt there if you do not have oven at your home. So just now we will remove this from this pan, and let's see how is the texture. So guys, we have successfully removed this butter paper out of this bread. So literally see, it is too fluffy, and it is quite impossible, like it was quite difficult to remove it. See, as you can see that still there is bread on it, but literally I have successfully removed it. Now I will freeze it for 1.5 hours, so that it can get a fixed shape and better thing. So let's freeze it for 1 hour or 1.5 hours.
Let's meet after that.
So guys, I'm again back with the melted chocolate, and there's some chocolate that we will melt again. Let's just stir it over. Let's just mix it first so that all the chocolate has been mixed. Then just put it down here. It is a little bit hot, that's why I'm using this. So just garnish with it. It would be just so guys, it is looking too much cute, and it is looking too much cute and so delicious. Taste would be confirmed after sir will try this. Let's see, does he gonna like it or not. In this melted chocolate, I have also mixed the Oreo cream that we segregated in the first step. We also added all the cream into it with a little bit milk. So yeah, I have done it. Now we will freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes into the freezer. So let's freeze it. So guys, I have chopped the Kit Kat into small pieces. Now we will spread it over here, like as a sprinkler. We will sprinkle it here. Just like this, we'll keep it this, and rest of the chocolate I'm spreading here. Just like this. Now we have done this, and we will freeze it after dipping the gems here. Now let's cut the gems and put the gems here to garnish it. So yeah guys, these are the gems. Let's pour it out there. So guys, we have done this, and look how delicious the cake is looking. So just wait till the end. I will also share the review on the ID. Here it goes. Now the cake is ready, so guys, we will meet at the class to eat it. Just skip this. Let's skip to the good part.